God, ibloom, why you keep on doing this to us? Always making new squishes. Oh my god, so I'm gonna make the purple one of new release or whatever in 1st of October, 2 days ago. Oh my god. And today is 9:40 p.m. September 13, 2016. And I already made labels and stuff. You guys know the drill if you already seen my video. So I'm gonna put some music, and I am obsessed with Simply Neological, and she made a music video. So we're gonna listen to that, and hopefully I don't get copyright from her. But they're covers, so technically she... Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. You guys, pump up the music.
Simply Nailogical's greatest hollow hits, Volume 1. Do you know them all?
I got the blue one.
Is like the ocean, rainbow in motion. I can see my face at the bottom, and I love it, and I love it. I did.
That's like an 1.5 and 4. I got the chocolate.
Now watch me drip, drip. Now watch me drag, drag. Can you do it? Ooh, watch me, watch me.
And
Ooh,
got
watch me, watch
1
me.
and
Watch me,
4.
watch me. Never gonna give it up. Never gonna let the Russians down. Hey, angel in the snow. My nails are under a lot
But
of
don't lose the snakes on it.
friend, and she's my very own.
So I got 2 and 4.5, 5.
Spread like I'm or not. You can stroke my nail until you drip and cut. Never mind, never mind.
Well, you say unicorn with me. No, I have more. This is what the stands look like.
Say unicorn
So there's 2, 1, 2 on the last side. 1, 2, 3.
I explored.
No! Dab, look at my dab.
Bitch dab. Look at my dab. Bitch dab. Look at my dab. Bitch dab. Look at my dab. Bitch Christine, the science queen. Christine, the science queen.
So I put it here in the corner.
Paula, don't hurt me. Don't
Hurt me no more. Hello, 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 hello.
you say
Goodbye, and I say hello, hello, hello.
you say
Goodbye, and I say hello.
And featuring the chart-topping hit, Hello, It's Me.
Dang it, they're like stuck together.
This collection is not sold in stores. It's only available on YouTube. Subscribe today.
Oh my god, the ads, why? Sale! I don't think that's the song. Okay. Oh no, it's okay.
Simply Nailogical presents the perfect record collection for the whole family. Simply Nailogical's greatest hollow hits, Volume 1. Do you know them all?
How
Deep is your hole.
It's like
They're
the
all
ocean,
good.
rainbow in
Rainbow
motion. I can see my face in the bottle, and I
Love
love
it.
it, and I
Love
love
it.
it. I did.
You did. We did. Dip it in the water.
Now watch me drip, kill it. Now watch me drag, drag.
That's
Now watch me
awesome.
drip, drip. Now watch me drag, drag. Can you do it? Ooh, watch me, watch me. Ooh, watch me, watch me. Ooh.
Well, I hope they print new packaging so it can be easier to distinguish. But for now, I got my tags. So I want to show them again because I'm bored. So this one has a white and brown dude on the front. And this white one in this little bag. Okay, this one has this little bag and a flower. And this one has like a white dude and a brown dude in the back. This one has a white brown on the front and this ribbon on the back. I explore.